replace new rotor, new power stop assembly, brake assembly. Gonna replace for that. So gamit tayo ng Lucas brake fluid DOT3.
Stand side. Open the window on the other side. Then, this will be one. Then I told you, press the brake 5 times, pump the brake 5 times. Okay, just hold on. There's the bleed. Yeah, see the bleed for the brake. Then that. Oh, it's hard. It's cold, so hard to move. Look, there's my gloves. My gloves, boy. It's winter time. Then replace the brake rotor and power brake stop. Get my gloves.
One more. Good.